drill seems real. So how are we going to figure out if he's doing it for real or not?
I'm going to use these pressure transducers on the actual handle of the drill, which will record the pounds per square inch that's being exerted.
Let's do this. Okay? That was serious.
It's now time for Hu to drill his head.
All right, you ready?
Once again, the data confirms that Hu is pushing with a pressure of up to 200 pounds per square inch.
It's difficult to ascertain how an individual goes about attempting this without resulting in some injury.
So it's just a mystery.
It's a mystery to me, certainly.